Sunday. I'm always talking to y'all when I got this thing being loud and annoying. It's Sunday morning. I'm on my way to work. I don't typically work on Sundays, but we're doing things differently here in Houston for the time being. So yeah, that's what I'm on my way to. What's up, y'all? It's still Sunday. I'm sitting here trying to figure out why I'm so tired, and then I realized it's the food. I be slumped. Anyways, I was trying to do my nails like I've been saying all this time. I wanted to do a gel overlay, but for some reason I don't have any primer, which doesn't make sense because I used to do my nails acrylic nails. I'm pretty sure I have primer, but it's not in my nail kit, so I'm like, guess I'll go to the store tomorrow. Hi guys, I don't know if I vlogged all day. It's the end of the day for me now. I was rushing, that's why. So I don't even know if I vlogged or not. I think I said yesterday that I'll try to do my nails, but I had no primer. So I'm gonna try to go to Sally's now. They close in 30 minutes. So I'm gonna go there and see if I can get some primer. I hate when the GPS is dumb. The GPS gonna tell me to turn right. I need to go over there to that Sally's. I really could have just stayed straight and then turned right after the light to get up in the parking area. But no, it got me all some. Where is you going? It got me all somewhere else. Having to make turns in the middle of the street. I thought I've been to the Sally's before, but I don't think so. Oh my god, oh my god, was I supposed to work here? Wait. Did I interview here? That is not the one I was trying to come to. Oh, I thought it was a nail shop. I'm like, why did they got Elvis on there? No, I don't think I came to this one before. Let's see. I swear this is not what I remember. Hi. So that was a bust. They suck. All the Sally's out here are trash. In Arizona, I shopped at Sally's and Walmart at least once a week. The Sally's and Walmart out here is just happy first of the month. One, I should have just put my garbage out this morning because I was up when they did trash pickup, because I just left my apartment, forgot all about grabbing my garbage. I had tied up ready to go. Door trying to get me. Gate trying to get me. Second, I have had my birth certificate in one spot since I've lived here. I've had no reason to move it that I can remember. Why is it not there when I need it? Hi guys, I've been forgetting to vlog every single day of my life. It's Wednesday. I think I recorded something today, but I don't remember. But I'm at this place called Gringos with my cousin. Why is this light on? I just got quesadillas. Whatever this dip is really good. But yeah, today is the first of the month, so happy December. It's my birthday month. Child, I am so glad that I just so happened to see or to look in my rearview mirror, because I definitely need to throw garbage away. And I definitely forgot, but I looked in my rearview mirror and I saw the reflection of the garbage string. And I was like, oh my gosh. I forget every single time. Happy Thursday, everyone. Thursday. It's Thursday. I'm on my way to the store because I ran out of broccoli. So I need some broccoli. First of all, can we talk about how annoying these scam calls are? Like, I'm gonna get 20 a day, literally. But yeah, I'm about to go to... You just gotta turn in front of me at a green light so that I can miss the light. Anywho, this is the light I was at yesterday, I think, when I went into the middle of the street at a yellow light, not realizing that it's a... Well, I went on the yellow arrow, not realizing that it's a turn on a green only. So I'm going to HEB because the last few times I went to Walmart, their broccoli selection, they had no good bag broccolis that wasn't rotten. And then the broccoli crowns, like the head of broccoli you buy by itself, they was all janky looking too. And I was just like, I don't have time for this. Like, where is the good produce? It also feels really good outside. It's like 70 something, but it feels pretty good. Do y'all make these with ice cream or with Cool Whip? Because I use ice cream. My cousin used Cool Whip. And she be trying to give me something. I'd be like, no, I want ice cream. I think I passed it. Oh my gosh, I'll be back. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna see if they got organic broccoli. I never get it, but the bag broccoli that I had from here is absolutely disgusting, so I really don't want to get bag broccoli from here. Ciao. They don't even got no organic broccoli heads. Why is the music so loud? I'll be back. Ciao. Somebody went to the back for me because, you know, I'm glad I asked because I'm like, this don't make no sense. Why are you riding alongside this bus? So I was doing some spring cleaning because my life's a mess. And I also wanted to go to the pet shop today. Just out of nowhere. Hi guys. It's Saturday. Happy Saturday. I'm on my way to the pet store because my sister up here and got a cat. And I'm like, oh my God, I want to see some animals. So I'm gonna go to the pet store. And this pet store is supposed to have, it's dark, sorry. It's supposed to have 2 Akitas. I love Akitas. I just want to see them. It's up the street somewhere, so I'm about to go there real quick. And I didn't realize that it was Vlogmas. I'm supposed to be vlogging every day. So I might start that Sunday, but I really don't have nothing to vlog. When I did Vlogmas last year, at least I worked every day. The work I do now, it's not vloggable. And they don't really know me like that, or me to be vlogging doing their hair. In Arizona, most everybody knew me. They knew that I take videos and pictures. These people out here don't. Pause. It's hot. I don't put the heat on because my windows be getting foggy. But it ain't hot, cold enough for no heat. Every time I brake and I hear some squeaking, I be like, is that me? Sorry, but I hate when cars do the most. Like, where? I'll be back, y'all. Why is it on me? Hey, little babies. Hey, little babies. I don't see no Akita, though. That's a husky. Where's the Akita? What are those? What are these? Look at this little schnauzer baby. This one looks like a husky, but it's tiny, so I don't think it's a husky. I think it's that Alaskan Kiki or something. Y'all, they don't have no Akitas here. This dog being bad. Looks like a boxer. Look at you. They're ugly to me. See, he too rowdy. Doing the most, doing the most. He's bad. Not bad, but look, I don't know what these are, but they're cute. First I thought they were cattle dogs, but I don't know. Ooh, I forget that dog stink. Somebody pooped. Let me see how much stuff be costing. Too much. I feel like I need a bigger space for a big dog. Well, most Akitas are breed restricted, so I'm not trying to get an Akita now. Most apartments don't accept them. That's why I wanted this other apartment when I was looking. They were not breed restricted. But everybody said they were trifling, so. And I'm sure this place could be more expensive because it's like a pet specific place. I don't know. I'm about to Google the best food for an Akita. But I was considering a small doggy too. Child, where my hair? I need to make my first of all, I wanted to straighten this hair, but I was too lazy. But I need to make my crochet braids because I'm tired of having a wig. First of all, for some reason this sweatshirt is very hot today. Second of all, Akitas are very expensive, but do y'all know what this guy told me? $6,700. Y'all, look at my vehicle. What is the problem? Child, not getting every single light. For why? Literally. Approaching a red light. Let me relax. I'm gonna get there. Child. So I don't know how petty the cops are out here. I'm like literally shaking. Because I kind of ran a red light, but not really. And it was a cop there, but I didn't know it was a cop. And then they put their lights on, but they just didn't want to. Huh? They had put their lights on, but they was just trying to run the light too. But I thought they was about to come and get me. I was like right by my apartment. I was like, I am not about to stop. I'm about to turn right up into this apartment. I had my window down and my seatbelt off to type in that code, but the thing was already open. I was like, went right through because I was not stopping. I mean, I guess they could have stopped me anyway, and I would have been like, sir, good night. But they were just trying to run the red light too. I just got to about something. Am I waiting for Larry Harris? No. Where the hell he done went? Cause now I can't get out of my car. Cause I don't know who he is.